in the mail today. You guys don't know what it is, but I know what it is. Let's just say it's some fucking hype shit. Alright, let's see what we have in this little box today. Haven't really bought any car parts lately, but a buddy of mine offered me this, and I just honestly couldn't say no. Kinda had to have it type of deal. What we have here is a Mugen formula shift knob, which is discontinued and actually pretty rare. Got this from a buddy of mine up in Washington, and it's in very great condition. Box, original manual, and it is in really good condition. Alright, let's get into this review. First of all, I'm going to be showing you guys how to tell if the shift knob is authentic. So one of the things to look for when purchasing Mugen formula shift knob is the box. An authentic shift knob will always have this little square sticker on the box. Fakes usually don't have this box sticker right here. Another thing to look for is the instructions. Replica shift knobs usually don't come with instructions, although there has been some replicas with instructions. Another thing to look for is the shift plate. Authentics always come with the shift plate. Another thing is the actual knob itself. Is the Mugen kanji will always be not in the center, but slightly above, closer to these lines on the top half. Another thing to look for is the packaging itself. An authentic, what you would call this thing, this spongy thing, accommodates for the roundness of the top of the formula knob, as the fake won't. The fake will just have basically a straight cutout at the top portion of the sponge, but this fits perfectly in here, and it's got like a rounded top. Take note of is the Mugen formula shift knob only came out in 5 colors: the black, the blue, silver, red, and gold. And also the shift pack is only 5-speed.